In this video, we are going to talk about the quick selection tool in PS Touch. So, talking about the quick selection tool, to select it, first of all, click on toolbar right here, scroll to the top, you will see the magic wand tool. And through this wand tool, when you scroll to the right, here is the quick selection tool. Alright, so the quick selection tool, what it does is that when you brush around, it's going to select related pixels. So this is the brush. When you increase the size, it's going to select more pixels. When the brush is small, it selects legs. As you can see, we have what we call the mode. Right now is in the plus, so once I click on it, it will turn to minus, which means I can subtract from it, like so. When you click on it again, it doesn't have any sign, so you can click and drag this, or you can click, so it turned back to plus again, which means we can add now. See, when it's minus, you can subtract. So if you click on it again, it won't have any sign, and when you click on somewhere else, a new selection will be made, then it will automatically turn to plus. So let's just click and drag and select this flower, like so. Click and drag. As you can see, it's very easy. Anybody can do it. So now we have made our selection. Now let us select around. Okay, like so. Let's select this part as well, and that's it. But before we go ahead and clear the background, let us refine it. So click right here, click on refine edge. So just click once and everything will be soft. So done. And now let us come over here, or let us click right here and click on extract. Oops, this isn't what we have in mind, so let's click right here to undo. So now to solve that, we click right here and you will inverse the selection. Okay, now you can come over here and click extract. So there we have it, super duper easy. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.